to manage feed settings like products-wise, sale-wise, brand-wise, collection-wise, and etc. For this, we have to set up collection, type, tags in our products. First, click on Products option. Now here select your products which you want to add in the custom feed. Then, write tags for your product. For example, I want to put this product in winter sale, then here we will put winter sale in tag section. Similarly, set these tags in other products that you want to show in sale. Now click on Edit Site button, then click on Feed Setting option. Here select your feed's filter setting. Here you can filter it by collection, type, tags, and products-wise. Now here, we select Winter Sale tag which we had created. Now enter number of products. Now click on Save button, then click on Edit button. Here enter your feed title, which will be shown to users. For example, I had added one more feed named Christmas Sale. Now let's preview it.